everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to send email for Facebook lead ads using Elastic Email. I am a business owner and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. And what I want is that every time a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead, an email should be forwarded with the help of Elastic Email. For that, we have to create an automation between Facebook lead ads and Elastic Email with the help of Pabbly Connect. In Pabbly Connect, to start an automation process, we need triggers and actions. In this process, my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads and my action application is going to be Elastic Email. If you want to learn how to create this automation, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to send emails to Facebook lead ads with the help of Elastic Email. So I am a business owner and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So this is the business that I own, that is Innovatech. And I want that every time a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead, an email should be forwarded with the help of Elastic Email. For that, we are going to create an automation between Facebook lead ads and Elastic Email with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. We need to sign in to a Pabbly Connect account. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account by clicking right over here. Then you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, on which you can see the 5 functions of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then on a new tab, Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to open. To start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, we have to click on the top right corner button right over here, that is Create Workflow. Then a new dialog box is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Send Email for Facebook lead ads using Elastic Email. After giving a workflow name, we need to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, we are going to click on the drop down button right over here, and these are the folders that are created in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select Elastic Email as a folder in which I want to save this workflow in. After that, we are going to click on Create to create our workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Send Email for Facebook lead ads using Elastic Emails, and there are 2 windows in front of us. One says Trigger, another says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these 2 steps. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but various action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here, and it is asking for us to choose our trigger application. In the introduction, I have already told you that a trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads, so I'm going to select this. After that, it is asking for our trigger event. For our trigger event, it is going to be new lead instead, so I'm going to select. So we have selected our trigger event as new lead instead. That means every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. After that, I'm going to click on Connect to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. As you can see, a new window then has appeared in front of us, on which we are going to click on Add New Connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, we are going to click on Connect with Facebook lead ads. As you can see, we have successfully authorized Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So after that, it is asking for us to select a page. In my Facebook account, I have created a page for my business in the name of Innovatech, and I will be promoting my Facebook lead ads with the help of this Facebook page. For the page in my Pabbly Connect, I am going to select it as Innovatech. After that, it is asking for the lead gen form. So I have created a lead gen form in the name of lead ads form right over here. If you want to learn how to create your own lead gen form, then you can check out our YouTube channel. So for the lead gen form, I'm going to select it as lead ads form right over here. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. As you can see over here, it is saying waiting for a webhook response. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead. For generating a test lead, we are going to use lead ads testing tool. So I'm going to open the lead ads testing tool. If you want to learn how to have the access of this page, you can check out our YouTube channel. So this is the lead ads testing tool, and we are going to generate a test lead with the help of this tool. Firstly, it is asking for the page. So for the page, I'm going to select it as Innova Tech, and next it is asking for the form. So for the form, I'm going to select it as lead ads form. After selecting the page and the form, we are going to click on preview form. So this is the form that I've created. It is asking for the first name, last name, email and the phone number. So we are going to fill all these details and we are going to submit the form. So firstly, for the first name, I'm going to write it as test. Next, for the last name, I'm going to write it as user. Next, for the email, I'm going to write it as testuser@pabblytunes.com, and lastly for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. So as you can see, I've filled all the details for the first name as test, last name as user, email as testuser@pabblytunes.com, and lastly for the phone number, a dummy mobile number. After filling all the details, we are going to click on next and then on submit to submit the form. As you can see over here, it says a test lead has been sent. So I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect account and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response or not. For that, I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect. And yes, as you can see, a response is received in our Pabbly Connect. For the first name, it says test, last name as user, email as testuser@pabblytunes.com, and lastly for the phone number, a dummy mobile number. So this means that we have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. After setting up a trigger step, we need to set up our action step. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here. It is asking for us to choose our action application. And in the introduction, I've already told you that our action application is going to be Elastic Email. So I'm going to select Elastic Email. After that, it is asking for us to select our action event. And our action event is going to be send transactional email. That means every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically towards a lead, an email should be forwarded with the help of Elastic Email. After that, we are going to click on Connect to connect Elastic Email with Pabbly Connect. Then a new window is going to appear in front of us, on which we are going to click on Add New Connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, as you can see, it is asking for the API key. So I'm going to open my Elastic Email account. As you can see, this is my Elastic Email account and we are going to generate the API key. For that, what we have to do is we have to open our Elastic Email account. We have to click on this settings right over here on the left side of my screen. Then you can see over here it says API. We are going to click on Manage API Keys right over here. As you can see, these are the different API keys. We are going to create a new key. For that, we have to click on Create right over here. And firstly, it is asking to give a name to our API key. So I'm going to give a name to my API key as New Test Lead. After giving a name to our API key, it is asking for the permissions. We are going to click on Full Access right over here. As you can see, we have given full access to this API key. After that, we are going to click on Create in order to create a new API key. As you can see, this is the API key that we have created and you can only use this API key once. We are going to copy this API key from here. After that, we are going to paste it right over here. After pasting the API key, we are going to click on Save. As you can see, we have successfully authorized Elastic Email with Pabbly Connect. After that, it is asking for all this information. We are going to fill all these fields. Firstly, it is asking for the to recipient. So to recipient means that on which email do we want to send an email to. For that, we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we are going to insert the data from our previous trigger step. For that, we have to click right over here. As you can see, this is the previous step, that is Facebook lead ads new lead instant response. We are going to click on this arrow right over here. And as you can see, this is the data from our previous response. As we want the data for the email that we want to send a mail to, so I'm going to select the email right over here. So as we have selected the email, the data over here now has become dynamic. That means every time a new response will be captured in our trigger step, automatically according to the new response, the data over here will be updated. After that, it is asking for the CC recipient and BCC recipient. So I'm going to skip this step right over here. After that, it is asking for from email. It says that enter your email with an optional name. We are going to enter the email from which we are going to send the email to our customers. For that, I'm going to enter the email. So as you can see, this is the email from which I want to send the emails. Next, it is asking for the reply to email and email subject. I'm going to skip the part for reply to email. Next, it is asking for the email subject. So we are going to give a subject to our email. I want to give a subject to my email as welcome and thank you for choosing us. After that, it is asking for the template name. So if you have created any template, then you can write it over here. After that, it is asking for the content type. So I'm going to select my content type as plain text. After that, it is asking for the content. So for the content, I'm going to write it as, so this is the body of my content. It starts with hello test user. So I want my customers details to be written over here every time a mail is sent towards a lead. For that, I have mapped the data for my customer for the first name and the last name. So every time a mail will be forwarded towards a new lead, the name of my customer who have generated the lead will be mentioned right over here. After that, it says greetings of the day. Thank you for choosing us as your business partner. An employee of our company is soon going to contact you regarding any questions or queries. We will provide you with the best services. Our customer services are always open for you. If you have any problems, we will provide you with the best discounted price and offers. Thanks and regards, InnovaTech team. So this is the body content of my email. After that, it is asking for all these multiple information. I'm going to skip all of this part. If you want, you can fill all these fields. After that, we are going to click on save and send test request. As you can see over here, a response is received. So I'm going to open the email and I'm going to check whether I have received an email or not. For that, I'm going to open my email. So as you can see right over here, I have received an email which says, hello test user, greetings of the day. Thank you for choosing us as your business partner. An employee of our company is soon going to contact you regarding your questions and queries. We will provide you with the best services and our customer services are always open for you if you have any problems. We will provide you with the best discounted prices and offers. And we welcome you to our InnovaTech family. Thanks regards, InnovaTech team. So this means that we have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Elastic Email. But for all of you guys, I'm going to generate another test lead with the help of lead ads testing tool for Facebook lead ads, and I'm going to check whether a new email is forwarded towards lead generated or not. For that, I'm going to generate a new lead. So as you can see, this is the lead ads testing tool, and with the help of this tool, we are going to generate a new lead. Over here, it says you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So as you can see, we have already generated a test lead with the help of this form. So we have to delete the existing lead. For that, we have to click on delete lead. As you can see over here, it says your lead has been deleted. So now we are going to refresh the page. It is very important to first delete the lead and then refresh the page, because if you are not going to do that, you will not be able to generate another test lead, because you can only create one lead per form. After that, it is asking for the page. So for the page, I'm going to select it as InnovaTech, and for the form, I'm going to select it as lead ads form. After selecting the page in the form, we are going to click on preview form. So as you can see, this is the form that I've created. It is asking for the first name, last name, email and the phone number. So I'm going to fill in all these details. So as you can see, I've filled all the details. For the first name as Smart, for the last name as user123, for the email as smartuser123@pabblytunes.com, and lastly for the phone number, a dummy mobile number. After filling all the details, we are going to click on next and then on submit to submit the form. As over here, you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So I'm going to check whether a new email is received towards the lead that is generated right now or not. For that, I'm going to open my email. So as you can see, a new email is received towards the lead that we have generated. It says that hello smart user 123, greetings of the day. Thank you for choosing us as your business partner. An employee of our company is soon going to contact you regarding your questions or queries. We will provide you with the best services, and our customer services are always open for you if you have any problems. We will provide you with the best discounted prices and offers, and we welcome you to our InnovaTech family. Thanks regards, InnovaTech team. So this means that we have successfully created an automation between Facebook lead ads and Elastic Email with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am a business owner of a company InnovaTech, and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. And what I wanted was that every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically towards a lead, an email should be forwarded with the help of Elastic Emails. For that, we have created an automation between Facebook lead ads and Elastic Emails with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, Comment down below if you have any questions and queries, and please share this video.
So not just with these applications, you can automate more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any questions regarding the Pabbly Connect pricing, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.